Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Here we're going to open up the Bullet Time Selfie Stick 2.0 from Insta360. Insta360 sent me this at no charge, and they're not paying for this video, but I will be making a few videos in exchange for receiving this. Unbiased videos, I like to say. Here we have an instruction booklet. So we'll look at that later. Let's open this up. We got lock and unlock. Goes pretty far out. I don't have my handy tape measure on me, so I'm not going to be able to measure it right now. But once it's out, you can twist it. So there's 65 degrees, 90 degrees, 75 degrees. So that would be 75. This would be a full 90. See how that is. You can lock it down, which tightens that. Put it in. The reason they have it is because you can turn it. So that's why it's able to come out. It has a thread adapter right here. One right there. So there you have it.